Hey man, what's up? I was into the shower a few minutes ago. As you can see, I'm a bit wrecked in here. But it doesn't matter. I was thinking of the next big idea for my startup. And I reminded myself the situation that I was a few years ago. Years passed by fast. And I thought maybe you are in the same one. And probably you are in the same one position. So, once upon a time, I wanted to start a project, it had to be a next big idea, and I had it here in my mind, right? And I knew what I want to do, I knew the product that I want to create, I knew the way that I want to change the world, man. I knew it. So I go to my computer, I fire up an IDE, and I realize that I don't know Python. I wanted to create a product with Python, and I didn't know Python. Believe it or not, there was a time when I didn't know Python. So what I did, you know what I did? I went to the internet. I opened up Firefox or Microsoft Edge, doesn't matter. And I look up for Python course. Yeah, that's what I did. So I went to some well-known web page where they sell courses and there are discounts every day. And I was like, wow, there's a discount. So I need to buy it. And I fell for this trap. But I don't regret it, So I bought a course. And I'm like starting it, and I'm like 5 days into this course. I finished it, and then I realized that I know nothing, man. I go back to my code, which is non-existent at the moment, for the product that I wanted to create and conquer the world with it, and there's nothing. And here, there is also nothing. Yeah. And then I realized that I need to start coding, actually. I knew some things about all the languages, all the technologies. I knew I wanted to go with object-oriented programming, that's a thing, that's a thing. And what I did, I started coding. I didn't know how classes work in Python. I didn't know they exist in Python. So I tried to code them. I'm trying to write out my solution, and I don't know how to create a class. So what I do, I go to the Stack Overflow, man. And that's the greatest decision that I made at this point in my life. Going to the Stack Overflow. And there's some marvelous, random but marvelous and really knowledgeable guy. And he tells how to do such things. He explains it to some other guy who had the same problem. He wanted to create his new startup and didn't know how to create classes. So he went to the Stack Overflow, created a question, and some other great folk explained it to him. So what you do with this knowledge, you apply it right away. You don't have any time for learning stuff that you don't need at this moment. So if you don't know the programming language, the technology that you want to use, or any other thing, and you have a doubt in your mind that you're not good enough, you need to complete some course to be well educated, man, it's not real. It's not real, it's in your mind. You can code on your computer, you can start coding right now, and I believe that you will make it.